So here what we need to do is, seeing how this is down here incorrect, we need to figure out the equation of this line. And so just to go over that part, to figure out the equation of the line, you're going to need a point and a slope. Okay, so we can use the point slope formula to figure out the equation of the line. And let's just go over that really quickly. The point slope formula is y minus y1 equals m, the slope, times, and use parentheses here, x minus x1. Where the x1 and the y1, so where the x1 and the y1 are both points on the line. So it's a point on the line, an xy coordinate, and so you can pick any of these points that are represented on this line, but it's good to go ahead and pick something that you can eyeball pretty good. I think I see here the value 1, -5, that's what I see there, 1, -5, that's your point. So this 1 corresponds to the x1, and the -5 would correspond to the y1. So you would just replace those values there with the xy coordinate of that point. And then the last thing to do is to figure out this m, which here you can see, you can eyeball that as well. I think if you go up, let me see, it's up 3 over 2, yeah, that's about right. That gives you the slope. M is 3 over 2, rise over 1. How high does it go? It goes up 3. How far to the right does it go? It goes 2 units to the right. And so that gives you your slope. And so you can eyeball those things in this graph. And so you would just replace all these values in the point slope formula and then simplify, like solve for y. So let's go ahead and do that. We have y, oh, excuse me, let me change that pen. We'll have y minus a -5, so that's plus 5, equals 3/2 for m, and then x minus a 1, just like that. And when you solve for y, you'll get y equals 3/2 x minus 1 minus 5, and this is what you would enter into that box. And don't forget to use these parentheses because the machine is a little finicky when it comes to that. You might even need to put parentheses here around the 3/2. All right, I hope that helped.